What's the meaning of bedside manner? Bedside manner. Bedside manner.
Bedside manner. Bedside manner. Bedside manner refers to the way a doctor or healthcare professional interacts with their patients. It is the ability to communicate effectively, show empathy, and provide emotional support while delivering medical care. A good bedside manner can make a patient feel cared for and respected, leading to better outcomes and improved patient satisfaction. This can include taking the time to listen to a patient's concerns, explaining medical concepts in a way that is easily understood, and being reassuring and compassionate. Ultimately, having a good bedside manner is an essential component of providing comprehensive and patient-centered healthcare.